If you like the video, give me a small like. This program ends here. See you next time.